Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a way to increase oxygen in tissue, in cells, through the use of pressure. So you lay in a chamber while you're breathing 100% oxygen, and that chamber will increase pressure, which will drive that oxygen deeper into tissue. Frequently, we're dealing with dysfunction in organs and joints and tendons and ligaments, wherever it is, or in brain or in heart. And this can be for a various number of reasons. But by driving oxygen into that tissue will initiate that healing. It will start to repair those cells. So let's say you're dealing with a traumatic brain injury, which will then cause a trauma to the brain, and it will kind of put a part of that brain in that stunned state. It's kind of like it's a neutral gear. It's not that the cells in themselves are dead, they're just not as active. So by driving more oxygen into that area, it will then initiate the activity of those cells, and you will regain the function of that part of the brain. And that goes for any part of the body. Let's say the heart, for instance. Maybe you've had a heart attack, and there's a certain section of the heart that is kind of working, but by driving oxygen, it really kicks the activity of that organ in. And same with kidneys, with intestines. If dealing with inflammatory condition of the intestines, by driving oxygen into the intestines, it will then initiate the repair and reduce that inflammation. So anywhere in the body where there's some kind of a wound, it's not just external but also internal, or dealing with any kind of inflammation, or where the healing is not taking place the way that it should, hyperbaric oxygen therapy is superb.